Hold up 1 second, guys. Something's wrong with my settings here. Alright, there we go. Yeah, every time I update Windows, some stuff gets mixed around here in OBS, so I have to fix that. So, let's redo that. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. So, actually, yesterday, we might have been doing that all show without sound. No one said anything. But, I don't think its sounds was coming through on OBS. So, I just noticed that. So, my bad, guys, if yesterday's show, the memes were messed up. But that's my bad. No one said anything, though. Alright, what up, Zach? What up, 1010? Thanks for being here. Appreciate you guys.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Mega Gun, nevertheless, the 10-year yield is starting to tank. Yeah, today was really, really bad. Every single day it's Mega Gun. It's not even like small Gun. It's like super Mega Gun every single day. And it's really getting frustrating. But yeah, more or less the same today. 10 years, the only thing that gives me hope at the moment. Sound was fine yesterday. Was it? Okay. Interesting. Well, that's good to know. But alright. Thanks for being here again, 1010. Appreciate you. I was like, were you here yesterday? You were here yesterday. I think you popped in real quick. And yeah, congrats to you on the puts, on the rainbow bearing. I think you had... I just checked Discord, like, right before the show. But I think it had SPY, not SPY, AMC, and ARC puts, right? So, those must have been printed today. So, congrats to you, 1010. Adobe earnings out, down 4% at the moment, on top of 4% from cash session. Good. Everything good. What up, Punk Skater? What's up, dude? Tesla was down 10% at one point today. Oh my. Did it finish around there, or did it go up towards the end? It went up a little bit. I guess it finished around 9. But, yeah, Tesla was down a lot today. Honorable mention Tesla. They had like 2,000 or 3,000 mentions on StockTwits, so not going to talk about it today, but yeah, that was one of the hotter stocks today. For the wrong reasons. AMC and ARC puts for the win. I did hit the sell button. Yeah, dude. So congrats to you. You may have printed more if you held. Not saying you should have, but you know, you did the right thing in hitting the sell button. And congrats to you, dude. So I'm glad the community is still managing to get some wins, you know, in a bloodbath in terrible times like this. But yeah, guys. So first of all, it was a little difficult setting up for the show today because everything was all over the place. I was gonna do Redbox, but then because it was up over 10%, and then it came down and it went in the red and it was at like 0. So I'm like, okay, maybe we shouldn't do Redbox today. And then at the end of the day, it jumps up here and finishes near 7. So we may actually do Redbox again today. I don't know if we should. Kind of doing this show on the fly today. Honestly, guys. I have like things we could potentially talk about, but we're definitely going to do SIDU Sidus. That was squeezing yesterday, still short squeezing, so we'll get to that. Only 4,000 mentions on StockTwits, but major price action, so I think it's worth making a video about. But then, yeah, so I was going to do Redbox, maybe AMC, because those had some pretty big price action. But now I'm thinking no AMC, because there's not too much to talk about there. Just, you know, always a retail favorite. Redbox, I wasn't going to do it, but, yeah, it pumped in the not the aftermarket. It pumped at the end of the day, so I think it's now at 7% in the green. Close to it. So we're definitely going to do SIDU and possibly Redbox. I don't know still. Still deciding. But I already did one yesterday, so I don't really want to, and it's more of the same, so So yeah, for now we're just gonna do SIDU and possibly Redbox. Let me know, guys, if you want me to do Redbox, but I really don't feel like it. But you know, it is still really hot trending stock, so maybe we'll see. But yeah, definitely SIDU. All right. Should we buy the dip in Adobe? Let me look at it. Let's just get through this opening scene first. I'd say nay, down 6%, and lowered guidance again. 6% on... Oh, you're responding to Zach. Got you. Yeah, I have no idea. Let's look at Redbox. I mean, not Redbox. Adobe, after we get done with this intro scene here. What up, B-Flam? What's up, dude? Welcome back. You nailed an IMPP. Low was 47, mid entry 48. So, nice, dude. You know, this is not financial advice. Can't get them right all the time, but, yeah, I'm glad my TA worked out for you. And yeah, I did see IMPP earlier today. I did see it did hit 48, and, I actually forgot who mentioned it, but I was thinking, like, someone asked about it yesterday, and yeah, it did come back down to 48. So congrats to you, B-Flam. Excellent entry. And yeah, it really can't go too wrong, you know? Not too much more downside, and a lot of upside to go, especially in the long term. So congrats to you, dude, and good luck. Alright, guys. So, a lot of rambling to start the show. But alright, so today is Thursday, June 16th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And yes, once again today we're doing the show from Ministan. Every single day. Not literally every day, but pretty much every day. For all of 2022. More go. And yeah, today was really, really bad. It seems like it can't get worse. You know, we can't have a worse day than this. How many times I said that this year? But yeah, you know, today was one of the worst days of the year, I would say. And I say that like every other day. But yeah, blood red today. Especially SPY. SPY almost hit 4%. Oh, it was almost down 4% earlier. It came back up a little bit here. So at the end of the day. But yeah, NASDAQ down over 4%, SPY over 3%, Dow Jones over 2%. Nasty day. Crypto's going down a lot. VIX is mooning. All around good today.
And it's gone.
So, not surprised, but and kind of becoming numb to this. But this is getting really, really frustrating. And we're legit definitely in a recession right now. All these people saying recession is coming, imminent. Nope, it's here. It's been here. And it's going to be here for a while, I think, at least, unfortunately. But yeah, guys, regardless, appreciate everyone for being here. Got a great show for you guys. Anyway, as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And I think we got 2 articles today. Yes, 2 articles. One about Elon Musk and Dogecoin. A little bit of trouble there. And one about Celsius. We've been covering Celsius the past few days. They're having some liquidity issues right now. Looks really shady. We'll get to that. And yes, as I just mentioned in the beginning of the show, we're definitely going to do SIDU, possibly Redbox. I guess we'll come back to that after we're done with our daily assessment and our news. But yeah, I really don't want to do it. But it just moved pretty hard in the towards the end of the day. Still a decent amount of price action, you know, still a hot stock. So maybe we should for the views, but I've been talking about it for so long. I really don't want to, and it's more or less the same from yesterday. So if I can help it, I really don't want to. But yeah, we'll reevaluate that very shortly. So SIDU, possibly Redbox. And then we'll get to the Yolos, and there weren't many Yolos today, mostly memes and lost coin. So that shouldn't take too long. Wall Street bet slacking, content going down in quality there. Yeah, guys, today's show shouldn't take too long. Probably hour and a half if we only do SIDU, maybe 2 hours if we also do Redbox. But yeah, we're going to aim for hour and a half to 2 hours today. And Thursdays is usually one of the better streaming days, one of the better days for streaming. So I expect a bit more people in here today, although we have a decent amount of people in here already. But hopefully more people come in later. Always welcome to, always a pleasure to stay and chat with the community. So yeah, should be a pretty short and chill show today. Nothing too serious going on. Just another day at Go. So appreciate everyone for being here. Let's get started. SPY was at 364. Who would have thunk it? Who would have thought? Everybody. I don't think any of us are surprised. Just figure out a safe way to make money on it. Yeah, I don't think anyone is surprised. We just were hoping that it wouldn't happen. But you know, hope and reality are two different things. So yeah, you know, lower lows, higher lows. Or lower lows. Which one is it? I think it's lower lows. Yeah, lower lows. And probably not done just yet. Probably gonna keep going for at least the next few months, probably through the end of 2022. At this point, this is my prediction. And this is not financial advice, but it's probably going to be a lot more pain. Well, not a lot more, but it's going to be more pain probably through the rest of the year. Hopefully 2023 we start to recover. And maybe in 2023 it's still going to be bad. But yeah, it's been rough. Half the year gone. It's been rough, and doesn't look like we're done selling off just yet. So hang in there, guys. Remember, Monday is a holiday. Market not open. Tomorrow is monthly options expiration. Yes. Monday is Juneteenth. So first, I believe that's the first day the stock market will be closed for Juneteenth, because that's a new holiday. So yeah, extended weekend. We'll be back on Tuesday. Just a reminder for you guys. So which probably is a good thing, you know. So because we don't have to look at all this go. But we'll be right back to going on Tuesday. In Adobe 345 out 349, 340, 350 easy tendies. All right, dude. So quick scalp there. A little ahead of me. We didn't even get a chance to look at that, but congrats to you, Zach. You can go get yourself a dinner with that. Quick scalp there. Congrats to you. What up, PZ? What's up, dude? And here's the first signer of the day.
Hey. What's up?
Alright, and let's get started, guys. I should have zoomed in my camera a little more. Yeah, that's alright. Okay. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Damn, siren in the background, but I'll just cut it out later. Okay, let's do it, guys. Let me just check YouTube real quick first. We're at 7 viewers, 5 likes, so decent amount of people in here already. Please smash that like button, guys, as you come in. Appreciate you.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Alright, let's get started here. So it looks like Redbox isn't moving that much in the aftermarket here. Holding 1164, holding up 11 or 6.2%. So it doesn't sound like you guys really care much for Redbox. No one's saying anything. So I guess for now we're not gonna do it. I really don't want to. It is good for the views. We did get quite a bit of views in the last 2 days, or subs. I mean, views and subs. Probably got us 15 subs, 15, 20 subs in the last 2 days. But yeah, I'm just tired about talking about it. So we'll see. All right, so I'm looking at SPY here. Or I was, at least. Yeah, so remember we had this descending channel here. And, yep, it's about to re-enter the descending channel. So it looked bullish, you know. If it broke out of 400, it looked pretty bullish. Looked like it was going to moon from there, and it actually did. But then, yeah, this week happened. And now this is about to re-enter the descending channel. So that is not good. That is not good. Looks pretty bearish. But RSI is at 31 right now. So this is pretty much oversold and undervalued at the moment. And yeah, there's another gap today. So we have a triple gap down on SPY. 401, 390, and today a new one at 372. So triple gap down, SPY. So at least there's that. That is bullish. RSI is low. Looks like it should catch support soon. It should. Not saying it will, but it should. And then we do have, again, the descending channel. So that's actually neutral. You know, so there is hope. There's hope to come for SPY, but yeah, ugly looking chart. But you know, can't keep going down forever, and then it's gonna keep on dipping. Watch. See, I was just looking at SPY here. Pretty nasty chart. That's an ugly ass SPY chart. Yeah, it is real ugly. Pretty disgusting. Looks due for a little bounce. I bet we bounce off the channel. I sure hope so, or we could re-enter and be trading between there for a little while. We'll see. But yeah, triple gap down. Looking pretty bullish. Low RSI, looking pretty bullish. So, you know, hopefully, we'll see what happens. But hopefully, it does bounce and comes back up to 400. I know what's going to happen. You already know what's going to happen. It's going to come back to 400. We're all going to get our hopes up. Did it bottom? Did it bottom? Did it bottom? And then in 2-3 days, in 1 week, it's going to go from 400 down to 350 again. It's been a consistent theme this year. Small pump, momentum, hope, sell off. And then small pump, momentum, hope, and then we'll just keep making lower lows. So, would not be surprised if that happens again. But, you know, hopefully, every time around you think it'll be different. But it's not. So, yeah, I kind of do predict we're going to come back up to 400 and then right back down. Based on what's happened this year. Enough of that, though. Let's get to the watch list today. But this time is different. Yeah, I keep telling myself that, and then I keep losing more money. So,
Bruh.
give myself the clown. And I give everyone the clown. Everyone gets the L on this. So hopefully this time is different. But yeah, I'm really not expecting it to be. Lower lows. All right, let's do it, guys. So the Dow Jones down 2.42%. Nasdaq down 4%. And the S&P down 3.25%.
And it's gone.
Yep, this is really bad today. One of the worst days of the year. And there's been like a lot of worst days of the year, but this is definitely up there. Quite possibly could be the worst day of the year. But yeah, you know, earlier on Discord, I was like, wow, SPY is at minus 4%, so finishes down 3.25%. A little bit of a bounce at the end. So you got to take your small victories. Could have been worse. VIX is up 11.24%, up 3.33 points. So VIX is at 33 now. Oh no, oh no. So yeah, that's pretty bad. 33 VIX. You know, I guess it could be worse. It could be in the high 30s. Could be at 40. But yeah, 33 VIX. That's pretty bad. Every time we get back in the 20s, pushing 20, right back up to the 30s. So nothing new here. But yeah, everything going the wrong direction. Market going the wrong direction. Lower lows, and VIX just keeps on mooning. And even when VIX goes down, it just moons again. So nothing new here. Just more disappointment. More guh. All right, let's get to the watch list. So we'll start on the green side because there's not much here. ALF, Alfie. I remember that one. This was one of the early stocks we talked about with the Uber tablets. That's pretty funny. I just never deleted it off the watch list. Yeah, VIX biggest gainer, 11.24%. That's never a good thing. Mullen did pretty good today, 7.76%. Interesting, because that lost a lot of momentum. No one really cares anymore. I think it did make StockTwits. I think it had like 2,000 mentions, but yeah, honorable mention Mullen. Redbox, which we may or may not talk about today. Been talking about it every other day. That's up 6.66%. The devil's number. Bearish indicator? I don't know. So we may talk about that. I really don't want to, though. But we'll come back to that. You guys want me to talk about Redbox? Yeah. Honorable mention there for now. HYMC, 5.8%. BitNile. Gold, silver, Walmart, BBIG, IMPP, a little bit. And honorable mention IMPP because that had some pretty big price action. So yeah, pretty much nothing in the green today. Just a few select meme stocks, gold and silver, and Walmart. That's literally it. Okay. Did Didi finally get delisted? And did Facebook change their ticker? Interesting. Anyway, onto the red side. So 4 gaps in QQQ and 3 gaps in SPY, and believe it or not, 1 in ES. So good. Yeah, SPY's been bad, but yeah, tech especially has been really bad. QQQ, NASDAQ. So I didn't really look at QQQ, but yeah, I believe it. It should be worse than SPY. Mega go. What up, low roller? What's up, dude? I heard the Kroger guy got promoted in a new job. He's an ambassador of trade school. He is still doing cleaning bathroom and other. He got promoted to cleaning bathrooms? Okay. You know, new fancy title. I guess that's a win. Kroger guy said it 4 smiles in the job. He hated it. Well, he hates every job. So he's either going to quit or get fired again. You already know. Kroger guy is live on YouTube. He took a day off his job. Yeah, so he complains he hates it and he has no money, but then he's not going to work. Can't do anything about this guy. Got to stop by and see my dudes, Baba and Kroger guy. Well, the Baba guy, I think he's still pretty good. And Kroger guy, same old stuff. Complain about being a victim. I got no money, it's hard out here. And then just keeps getting fired. He has very active chat. Someone donated money at him on Patreon. That's good. He is getting a pretty big following. He's over 800 now, so no surprise there. He's getting some money. Just weird because you would expect his audience to also be like poor people who sympathize with him. So don't really see why people who have money to donate would watch him. But all right, shout out to him. Hope it works out. No Redbox, IMPP, or BBIG. They've been weird recently. Yeah. And all of those have been getting us a lot of views and subs. But yeah, they're doing some short squeeze shenanigans right now. So yeah, we'll see where it's trading at, Redbox, after we finish up with the news and stuff. But I really don't want to talk about it today. Just checked. It's DIDIY now. Why? Okay. Whatever. So I appreciate that, Zach. That's pretty interesting. And what's up, Machete? So yeah, what's up to everyone who just came in.
Hey. What's up?
All right. Onto the red side. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Onto the red side, pretty much everything, so we're not going to spend too much time on this. But yeah, actually, Roblox is the biggest loser here on my watch list, 14.6%. You know, I was thinking about shorting that at like 140 or whatever it was when I was over 100. And I saw Nancy Pelosi bought calls on that, and I'm like, you know what? That's probably not a good idea. And then, so that was when Nancy Pelosi actually lost on. She doesn't lose much, but yeah, she did buy Roblox. I remember that. She's getting wrecked on that one. DraftKings, damn. I got out of there at like 45. It's at 11 now. DraftKings down 12%. Travel stocks going down a lot. Airlines, cruises. Cruises here getting wrecked. Carnival, Norwegian. Wayfair. I own that at 300. Holy crap. It's at 44 now. That's down 9%. Novavax. That was short-lived. Last week, it got approved, and now it's right back here. 8.66%. American Airlines down. Tesla, honorable mention, down 8.54% today. Been pretty rough for Tesla. Almost back at the low. That did make top 10 StockTwits. Damn, AMD down 8%. Holy crap. GM down 8%. This is bad. SoFi 8%. AMC, honorable mention, 8%. Delta Airlines. Damn, Ally Bank went down 7.5%. Coinbase 7%. Uber, Spotify 7%. Pretty bad. Peloton. Alibaba 6%. PayPal 6%. Southwest. JetBlue Airlines. Crypto stocks going down. I saw Marathon, MicroStrategy. Looks like financials not doing well. American Express down 6%. Nvidia 5.6%. Damn, eBay 6%. Nike 6%. Palantir 5.5%. This is bad. This is really bad. Meme index is down 5.35%. Discover 5.5%. MasterCard 5%. Yeah. Very bad. Financial is not doing so good today. And tech. Chevron down 5.35%. Looks like oil's not doing well either. Energy. China's not doing good. There's Xpeng. Yeah, BP going down. NEO. Pretty much everything's down today. Starbucks 4.4%. These are like very blue chip value stocks getting wrecked here. This is nasty. Marathon, Chipotle 4%. Apple went down 4%. Holy crap. Netflix 4%. Amazon 4%. Exxon 4%. TD, Google 3.4%. Target 3%. Tilray keeps on going down. That's almost at 3 now. Morgan Stanley, Microsoft. Yeah, this is terrible. Pfizer, JP Morgan, Disney, Twitter. Yep, nasty, nasty stuff. In summary,
and it's gone.
So yeah, pretty much nothing in the green. A few select memes, gold, silver, Walmart, and everything in the red, especially growth, tech, China, financials, travel. Pretty much everything is in the red, like deep in the red. Growth and value. Everything getting wrecked today. So, yeah. Apes getting wrecked, boomers getting wrecked, everyone getting wrecked here today. And just this whole year. More or less the same, not surprising. And yeah, at this point, it's kind of, I don't know about you guys, but I'm kind of becoming numb to this. It's just like every day, you just wake up, red, 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 okay, more BS. Yep, it's stuff out here. Where's my my doomer meme? See you guys at Wendy's. Or McDonald's, wherever. I feel the meme more than ever. I'm surprised Kroger guy getting away. Blasted his job. He didn't fired yet. Social media might ruin his career. A 9-to-5 job. His YouTube channel getting popular daily. I don't know. Maybe the YouTube will pay off. Still got a long way to go. But, yeah, you know, he should just focus on maintaining a job, actually getting a career, and, you know, try not to get fired. Tax write-offs for Pelosi? Probably. Or she'll just deduct them against her gains. Roblox under 25, that's crazy. That was like C19 Love Child. Guess they were done. They are done for a bit. Yeah, it ran pretty hard, up to 140, I think, or probably above there. And now it's back to 25. All the growth stocks have been getting wrecked. Why crypto and stock market crashing today? What is the news? No specific news, just more of the same. Recession fears. You know, Fed doing their thing. Rate hikes, inflation, blah, blah, blah. Oil. No one wants to work. Should we buy the dip on JP Morgan? I mean, yeah, for the long term, you know, it's not going anywhere. But financials aren't exactly the best sector to put your money in right now. But, you know, at some point in the future, it will come back. Chart looks pretty bullish as well. Got a lot of gap downs here. A lot of gaps. Low RSI, cup and handles. So, it'll probably keep dipping, to be honest. So, I don't think going long here is the greatest entry, unless you consistently average down, if you dollar cost average. Yeah, long term, it is a good buy. I'm just not convinced it's done selling off just yet. Financials, not really the greatest place to put your money right now, financial stocks. I guess nothing really is. Got my link? Yeah, I got your links, dude. Crypto were pumping last night. Oh, what's it doing now? It's dumping, right? Switzerland did 50 basis point rate hike. Europeans dumped yesterday's rip. Yeah, I don't really keep up with the foreign markets too much, because they just pretty much follow the U.S. But yeah, it looks like other countries are hiking as well. Everyone's having the same problem. Everyone's going through inflation, and everyone's market's going down. You know, it's a very globalized economy, so if we go down, or if other powerful countries go down, everyone's going down. So everyone's feeling the effect here. Plus, they got to deal with the whole oil thing over there, the Russia war, Ukraine war. All right, let's get to crypto today. Yeah, so nasty day in the stock market. Let's get to crypto. And let me check YouTube while we open that up. Oh, man. 5 viewers, 6 likes. All right, so appreciate everyone who's here. And please smash the like button if you haven't yet. And yeah, looks like today is a pretty slow show. We'll see if more people come in later. But yeah, you know, usually Thursdays is one of the better streaming days. But yeah, usually during, you know, nasty days like this, no one really comes out. Retail doesn't come out. Wow. We're at 900 billion now on crypto market cap. All right. What up, Wilson? What's up, dude? What's up, pig? Nice. Finally getting rid of negative interest rates. Yeah, but we're doing it too fast. You know, well, we can't stop it. But yeah, we printed our way out of a pandemic, and now we got to deal with this problem. So, you know, fix it before. You know, it was a quick fix, put a Band-Aid over it, and now we're dealing with after effects. So no one was complaining back then when the money printer was on, but now this is an issue. Kroger guy got 13 viewer live stream. He's beating you. Yeah, for now. Still got more subs though. Whatever. It's not a competition. Shout out to him. 20 subs. Slap that ass. Yes, please. If you guys aren't sub, please sub. Appreciate that, Zach. But yeah, we're almost there. Almost at a major milestone. 1,000. So I couldn't do it without you guys. Appreciate everyone. And then maybe I can supplement my income a little bit. Finally. All right. So here's crypto. That is down 2.72% today. More good. But yeah, you know it's bad when the stock market, when SPY goes down more than crypto does. So, yeah. In the world of crypto, today isn't the most terrible day, but another bearish day, and combined with just how it's been the last week, couple weeks, yeah, this is pretty bad. Really taking a toll. Let's check it out here. Trending, we got Bitcoin, Celsius, and Gala. Celsius is actually not dumping as much anymore. And biggest gainers, we got ELEF World. ELEF World? What is that? Okay, that's up 5,000%. Elon Hype, that's up 400%. And Apex, 270%. Interesting. What is ELEF World? 5,000%, whatever. All right, on to the actual crypto here. So, yeah, Bitcoin's down 4.8%, under 21K now. Ether down 6.6%, under 1,100. This is really bad. Binance down 4%, Cardano 6.5, XRP 3, Solana 2, Doge 4.5, Polkadot 8.5. Tron is up, Leo's up just slightly. Sheep down 4%, Avalanche 6, Litecoin 5, FTX 2. Bitcoin Cash 8.5, Ether Classic 5. Yeah, a lot of red here. Let's just sort this out. Alright, so we got like a whole 10 coins in the green here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not even. Like 8 coins in the green. So we'll just be generous. We'll say 10% of the coins in the green, 90% in the red. And the coins that are in the green are barely in the green. Gotta resort this. Yeah, biggest gainer is Symbol. I don't even know what that is. 2.5%. And then Elrond, 1-inch network. Yeah, not much green at all. Pretty much, well, yeah, not many coins in the green and very small price action. So, nothing really to see there. And on the red side, pretty much everything in the red, 90% of the coins in the red. Price action wasn't that bad, though. Biggest loser was Mina, 10%. And then Bitcoin Cash, 10%. And this is mostly growth, not value. Biggest value loss is Polkadot, 8.3%. And then Uniswap. So yeah, not like a super terrible day in crypto, but, you know, still a bearish day, still bleeding every single day. And when you compound that with just the nastiness that's been going on the past couple weeks, yep, this sucks. This really sucks. So, yeah, not surprised, nothing new, but this is getting really, really frustrating. Check out Ebix, some serious drama there. Is that a stock or a crypto? Search it here. Ebix. I think it's a crypto, or I think it's a stock, I mean. Alright, guys, so there you have it. Nasty day in the stock market. Pretty bad day in crypto. Every single day, go. Stock. Alright, yeah, we'll check it out in a second here. Let me just pull up my articles. I guess we'll check it out now while this loads. EBIX. So I have no idea what this is, but down 38% today. Good. 20 RSI. Major volume, so this is like the opposite of a short squeeze. This is a short attack. Short ladder attack, whatever they call it. Manipulation. Yeah, pretty nasty stuff. Triple gap down. So the chart looks pretty bullish, but yeah, don't know what happened today. Oh, Hindenburg. Hindenburg dropped the short report. Okay. So typical shady Hindenburg stuff, but they're probably right. Yes, so Hindenburg shorted it, dropped the report, got shorted more, and probably made out like bandits today. Hindenburg questions accounting at Indian units gift card sales. All right, so Hindenburg saying it's a fraud. Interesting. So, you know what? At least they have a response to the short report. I don't think it really matters that much. But at least they responded. Which gives them some credibility. So, interesting stuff, EBIX. So, sorry to everyone who lost money there today. Nasty stuff. Alright. Let's get back to this. Alright guys, so today we got 2 articles. I got 2 articles for myself, and I think Low Roller has some stuff for us. So I got an article about Elon Musk and Doge, and one about Celsius. So let's do it. Tesla CEO Elon Musk accused of Dogecoin Ponzi scheme in new class action lawsuit. Stupid ads. Tesla CEO Elon Musk is facing a class action over his Dogecoin hype. The complaint alleges Musk's tweets and public messaging drove a significant price spike in Doge and encouraged people to invest. Those people would ultimately feel the fallout when Doge price took a nosedive. All right, so I don't think you can call this a Ponzi scheme. You can call it a pump and dump, but I don't think you can really call this a Ponzi scheme. Celsius is a Ponzi scheme. This is not a Ponzi scheme. But regardless, yeah, he's facing a class action lawsuit. Not really fair in my opinion. But, yeah, so he's getting sued for $86 billion in monetary damages and $172 billion in treble damages. So in total, like $250 billion lawsuit. Which I think that's more money than he's worth, is it not? So, yeah. Don't know if they're gonna win. Definitely not gonna get that. Definitely not gonna get that much money. And yeah, I think the accusation that this is a Ponzi scheme is not correct. More like a pump and dump. But yeah, definitely a lot of people got hurt and they're pissed about it now, and they're suing Elon Musk. So when you were up, you weren't pissed. You didn't hit the sell button, but now you're pissed when you lose your money, right? So yeah, Elon Musk in all types of trouble. Can't stay out of the news. So this one is pretty minor actually compared to everything else. But yeah, this is happening. $250 billion lawsuit. Elon Musk. And next article. State securities regulators investigating Celsius accounts freeze. Key points. State security regulators in Alabama, Kentucky, New Jersey, Texas, and Washington are investigating crypto lender Celsius Network's decision this week to suspend customer redemptions. Officials met and began investigating the matter first thing Monday morning. Celsius said that due to extreme market conditions, it was pausing withdrawals, swaps, and transfers between accounts. All right, so yeah, developing story here. We've been covering this for the past few days. Stuff is not looking good for Celsius. It hasn't officially gone under yet, but they're in quite a bit of trouble. They hired Citibank as liquidity experts, whatever that means. It sounds like they're going bankrupt. And yeah, I'd be livid right now if I had funds on Celsius and it was just frozen there. Because it's not frozen, it's gone.
And it's gone.
So yeah, I guess the feds are catching on to this, and they're under scrutiny by a lot of state regulators now. And CEO is not responding to comments, not responding to a request for a comment. The company needs to stabilize liquidity. How are you going to do that? All right, so yeah, ongoing story here. Not looking good for Celsius. So we'll continue to follow this, and sorry to everyone who's currently dealing with this. I can't even imagine. Okay, now we got some stuff from Low Roller. Give me a second to pull that up. How many links we got here? Dogecoin millionaire did not sue Elon Musk. The person knows taking a huge risk to strike rich on Dogecoin. Are you going to sue Elon Musk since you invest in Dogecoin? I'm not complaining since I took a risk. No, because, yeah, it's not his fault. He may be manipulating it. He definitely had an impact on it, but, like I said, no one was complaining when it was going up. But now that it dumped, then you want to blame him, right? People just got to be, take accountability, be more responsible for your own decisions. Alright, let's see here. So we got 4 articles. 5 articles. You got a lot of stuff for us today, huh? Low Roller? Alright, so one of the articles is already... We just went over that. Elon Musk. So let this other stuff load. Let me check YouTube real quick. We're at 5 viewers, 8 likes. So yeah, kind of a slow show today, but appreciate everyone who's still here. Who is here. Hopefully more people come in later on. But yeah, kind of a slow show today. Actually, there's a good amount of people. And a good amount of chat. Good amount of chat, but not as many people as usual. Okay. Let's see here. They don't have collateral to reimburse their clients? No. No, there's no collateral. There is Celsius coin, but it's not a stable coin. So, no. It was pretty much a Ponzi. Can't prove it, but it's going to come out. It's a Ponzi. They were the first ones to start offering crazy returns, 10% on stable coins. 18% on other coins, on more DeFi poop coins. So, yeah, it was a Ponzi. They have no more money. It was good when, the crypto was pumping, but in the bear market, everyone's withdrawing. They got to pay out these insane returns. They got no more money. So they suspended withdrawals, and they're kind of downplaying it right now. But yeah, they're broke. They're probably going to go under, and a lot of people are going to lose money. Very, very unfortunate. Giveaway was that 10% yield? Yes, absolutely. And when I first heard about that, I was like, how is this even possible? I looked into it. They wouldn't disclose how they did it. And the best answer I could find was on Reddit. People claiming it was through DeFi. They were just doing their own DeFi stuff. And it's alarming because Crypto.com also has a 10% yield. but there are not any immediate liquidity trouble, so they may have to tone that down. If you want if your company to survive, that's not sustainable. You can't have 10% yields. And yeah, also Terra had 20% yield on Anchor. You could buy UST, stake it in Anchor, and you get 20% yields. So, that's the reason why they went down. This stuff is not sustainable. They're all Ponzi schemes. So, or maybe they're not, but they're not sustainable schemes. They will be Ponzi schemes if they don't change the yields and stuff. And then people got pissed at Crypto.com for downgrading their perks. And even Crypto.com was like, hey, if we don't do this, we're not going to survive. So, yeah. Really, really shady stuff going on right now in crypto. But in the end, I think a few, it's going to be pretty much is already like this. But it's probably going to be Binance, FTX, Coinbase, and a few other crypto sites that survive. Everyone else is probably going under. It reminded me of BitConnect. Yeah, kind of. BitConnect was a Ponzi scheme, but it wasn't like an institution. It was just a crypto that got out of control. But all of this is just Ponzi. Why is Mullen going up? Is it going up? I don't know. Let's see here. Little behind on TD, but it says here. Well, one up today, but it's not going up in the aftermarket. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I just think my best guess is that these fund managers are buying in to rebalance because the Russell 2 and 3000 additions, that's going to happen by June 24th. So firms have until then to start buying in and accumulating shares. So, not really sure, but I think that would be my best guess. Fund managers buying in early before the 24th when you're forced to buy in. Redbox is now pulling back down to 1120. So, yeah, I don't think we're going to do Redbox. Yeah, I don't think we're going to do it. We'll see. We'll just finish up with the articles first. I'm glad you didn't invest in Celsius at all. I remember you was thinking about that. Yeah, because that's when they came out with their 10% a year, and I was really questioning it. Yeah, I wanted to do it, but I was like, it just doesn't make sense. How are they able to return 10% a year? And then I Googled it and I Reddit it and looked into it, and everyone, they wouldn't admit how they did it, and it was just anyone's best guess. But people pretty much said DeFi, which I believe. So in a bull market, everything's good, but in a bear market, everything falls apart. But yeah, now I was even thinking about Crypto.com because I think that's a lot more legit than Celsius. But even then, Crypto.com can go down. So yeah, the ones I trust the most right now are Coinbase and FTX, and still don't have too much confidence in those. But at least they don't offer 10% yields. I think they would, but they got subpoenaed. They got sued. I heard BKKT will join Russell 3000. Yeah, I haven't heard that, but not surprising. So that'll probably go up a little bit in the next week. Dawn looking ripe, though. Yeah, we'll check it out. Let's just get through this stuff. Dogecoin launches testnet involving Dogecoin's utility and thrusting it into the DeFi and DApp space. Yeah, so they are slowly upgrading the technology. I did read about this yesterday. So, yeah, technology is getting better. How much that's going to help with the price, I don't know. But yeah, it is becoming a better coin. Jake Paul blames Joe Biden for plummeting crypto prices. Jake Paul is blaming the U.S. president for a significant number of economic problems, worst inflation, plummeting crypto prices, Those who take Jake Paul's financial advice are often themselves in poor economic shape. Yeah, so yeah, we looked about this. This guy, well, whoever wrote this really doesn't like Jake Paul, huh? Call him a serial crypto scammer, which is kind of true. But yeah, we just seen how he's poor rich now, right? Or he's rich poor. So yeah. When you got no one to blame Joe Biden, blame the president, blame Obama, right? So yeah, honestly, it's not really his fault, but he's gonna get the blame for it. Kind of feel bad. I don't even like him, but I do feel bad. Everyone just blames Joe Biden for everything. Not completely his fault. So, whatever, Jake Paul. You're still rich. Should Jake Paul blame Powell than Biden? Yeah, it would be better to blame Powell. It's more appropriate, because it's actually his job. It's not Biden's job. But, no, you should blame yourself. You should blame yourself. Look at Jake Paul tweet about Biden. I already closed it. What'd he say? Yeah, just blame Biden. 13-year-old sells rare card of Patriots Mac Jones for a whopping $100,000. It was surreal. It was a rookie card, but he's still in his second year. He could have held it. He should have diamond hands, and it would have been worth a lot more. Is that a guy or a girl? Johnny Stone? Could be other. Or what do they call them? Non-binary. Anyway. Okay, so yeah, they got a rare Mac Jones card. I'm not too much into sports trading, trading cards, but I know rookie cards are worth a lot. And probably would have made a lot more if he just held. Or Mac Jones could turn out to be a bust, and then it's worth nothing. But, alright, cool. Pull the $100,000 card. Congrats to this guy. BitBoy founder threatened to sue Celsius in class action lawsuit. More Celsius stuff, huh? BitBoy Crypto. Second most subscribed crypto YouTube account. Why, does he have stuff in Celsius? So he intends to file a class action lawsuit. Made legal threats via Twitter. He's unable to pay down loans with existing funds on the program, on the platform, instead of having to deposit new funds to pay off the loans. Alright, so it sounds like he has money stuck on Celsius. That's very unfortunate. Yeah, so I couldn't even imagine being a victim of Celsius. So hope it works out for him and everyone else who has money on there. Really unfortunate. All right, let's so that's all the articles for today, guys. Good stuff. Let's take a look at some TA. Well, we'll do some minor TA first for everyone who's asking about certain stocks, and then we'll look at and then we'll get to, I already forget what it is. SIDU. Dawn looking ripe. Yeah, didn't we look at this the other day? I keep seeing Dawn like the dish soap. Keep thinking it's the dish soap, but no, it's Day One Biopharma. Dawn looking ripe, like it's about to squeeze. Yeah, it kind of looks like it's bull flagging and due for another breakout, but I wouldn't even bother on the long side. Too risky for my liking. But yeah, big gap up, kind of bull flagging. High RSI though. But yeah, it's probably coming back down to 7 to fill the gap eventually. But in the short term, it may rip again. But high risk, high reward stuff here. Careful, guys. INDO. So, this is just another... it's another meme stock. Another oil meme stock. Small cap oil stock. Not as popular as IMPP. But this one... Looks pretty good to me. 30 RSI, so oversold, undervalued. Big cup and handle in the long term. And looks like it's bottoming out here at around 750. So I really shouldn't go too much more to the downside. Yeah, I would play this the same as IMPP. I would long-term buy and hold this. Looks like a pretty good entry at this point. Not really expecting it to squeeze or anything. But long-term, it looks like a good buy and hold. That's how I'd play this one. Yeah, so I think now it's a good time to buy the dip. Not financial advice. And I would treat this as a buy hold. Not a swing play. Not a short squeeze. On the short side, man, for Dawn, yeah, well, like I said, it will come back. Well, I can't say for sure, but yeah, it's going to come back to 7. But it may have a little bit more upside potential in the short term. It kind of looks like a bull flag. So it's either going to rip a little more and then tank or just tank right now. But it's been holding up for, a few days here. Makes me think there's some more upside potential. Well, this ain't going to end well. Never does. The guy paid 100K cash. Second buyer sold it all 170K. So he paid 100K and he sold it for 70, or the buyer sold it again. Either way, it's worth a lot of money. So, congrats to everyone who made money there. A lot of sports cards will get wrecked in 5 years. These rookie cards are not Hall of Fame. It will sell $100K or more. People will get wrecked on sports cards. Yeah. So, I guess that's the risk you take. You could sell it now, but if Mac Jones does become a Hall of Famer, how much money it'd be worth then? But then again, he could suck, and then it'll not be worth anything. So, yeah, similar to trading stocks. I guess rookie cards are like growth stocks. INDO would squeeze if oil soars. Yeah, it did the first time when the whole Russia thing happened. So yeah, it definitely can squeeze. But personally, I wouldn't buy it for a squeeze, If it happens, great. But if anything, I'd buy it for long-term hold. You can get in trouble, buying it for the purpose of short squeeze. So if it happens, great. If it doesn't, that wasn't the plan in the first place. That's how I would treat it, at least. Who will win NBA Final tonight? Boston blew their chance by winning Game 5. Steph Curry didn't show up Game 5. Was it Game 5 the last one? I think Curry did do pretty good. He just didn't. He actually had help this time. I think Boston's gonna win tonight. We'll see. I don't really care either way, but Boston's playing at home, backs to the wall. So I'm gonna go with Boston tonight, but yeah, I think the Warriors are gonna win. The kid should not make it public now. The IRS, he got paid $100K cash. He should have his $100K in his basement. That is true. That is true. If the IRS wants to go after him, I don't think they will. They're just like so understaffed right now. They got bigger problems to deal with. Steph Curry was 0 for 9 on threes. I didn't know that. I was watching it though. I don't think it was too bad. He didn't have like that bad of a game. Yeah, he had his teammates step up because prior to that, he was just doing everything. All right, guys. So, yeah, I don't think we're gonna do Redbox today because that's back at 11:20. So we're just gonna do SIDU. Okay. Let me just double check StockTwits. But yeah, I think we're just going to stick to SIDU today. Yeah, we're just going to do SIDU. Okay. Andrew Wiggins finally show up. Yeah, he was the player of the game yesterday, or whenever it was, the last game. He's the reason why they won. Pulling back pretty hard here. All right. Let's do it, guys. Let me check YouTube. 12 viewers, 9 likes. Alright, so a lot of people in here now. Appreciate everyone. And please smash that like button if you haven't yet.
I appreciate you.
A little bit of lag. Let's try that one more time.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Alright, SIDU. And then we'll finish up with the Yolos. So, actually spent a good amount of time just chilling. It's been an hour, 10 minutes, so. So maybe we won't get done by 5:30. Maybe closer to 6. We'll see. But yeah, we'll just do SIDU and then to the YOLO. And then Yolos. Alright, let's do it, guys. So here is SIDU. Sidus space. This finishes at $7.63 today. That is up 63.03%. So the stock is definitely in the middle of a short squeeze right now. It started yesterday. We didn't discuss it because it really didn't have too much momentum on social media, and the big stock yesterday was Redbox. But today, it's still squeezing and is gaining more momentum on social media. So it's worth talking about today. I believe this had 4,000 mentions on StockTwits. So yeah, we're going to analyze it today. So there was a reason as to why this whole short squeeze started in the first place. Let's check that news out. Okay. So the news was that the company was selected as a teammate with Raytheon Technologies for a $3.5 billion NASA contract. So that is some pretty that is some pretty bullish news. Those are some pretty legit. Those are some pretty legit institutions. Raytheon, big corporate company. NASA, big government entity there. And yeah, $3.5 billion is a huge contract. So really bullish news. Market really liked it. Apes really liked it. Jumped in here, squeezed the stock up yesterday. And it's still going today. Ape's not giving up just yet, and short's still being squeezed out. So the squeeze started in the low $1 range, 126, and went as high and went over $9 today. So insane price action. And it doesn't appear like it's done just yet. But yeah, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, this is a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 126. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 10.15, 11.15, 12.40, 13.70, 13.70, 27, or the high of 29.70. So those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. Oh, I forgot to mention. So there's not too many indicators to go off of here because this is a relatively new stock. Only about 5 months old. Okay. And then gap, double gap up. And then we do have a double gap up. First gap up is at around 150. So that's a bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 150 eventually to fill that gap. And second gap down was created today at 480. So another bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 480 eventually to fill that gap. And I do believe those are going to fill in the short term. In the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 715. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will sell off. I guess this could be a bull flag too. Yeah, let me draw a possible bull flag here. And we do have a possible bull flag developing here. No confirmation just yet. But we do have a flagpole developing. So all we would need is some pullback to form the flag. And that would be to form a flag and get confirmation on the bull flag. And that would be a bearish indicator, and that would be a bullish indicator that is suggesting that the stock may break out to the upside again. Okay. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 805 and 710. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 805, 870, $9, 935, 965, 1015, 1055, 1115, 1140, 1185, 1210, 1240, 1370, 27, and then 2790. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 710, 655, 620, 580, 540, 505, 480, 450, 410, 380, 345, 310, 265, 225, 190, 160, and then the low of 125. So right now at the current price, 763. The channels to the upside and the downside are pretty wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 870 to the upside, the channel starts to narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 870 to the upside. And to the downside, if slash when this breaks 655, the channel starts to narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if slash when this breaks 655 to the downside. And then if slash when this breaks 1240 to the upside, the channel will start to open up again. So expect a significant increase in price action if slash when this breaks 1240. Okay. Of course, here comes a siren. Oh, never mind. RSI is currently at 88, so that is extremely overvalued, extremely overbought, extremely overvalued, so be careful, guys. And this did 87 million in volume today. Very significant volume. Third biggest volume day ever for this stock. First biggest was yesterday. So this pump today, this pump slash squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Although yesterday this did have over 100 million in volume, so it does appear like the momentum is slowly coming down. And the squeeze may be coming to an end pretty soon. Okay, guys, just my opinion. Not financial advice. So yeah, crazy price action the last 2 days. Definitely short squeezing. Congratulations to all the apes so far. And at this point, I would say don't get too greedy. Secure the gains. This will have to come crashing down at some point. Just a matter of when, not if. As with every short squeeze. So someone is gonna get caught holding the bag. Make sure it's not you. There may be a bit more upside to go, but definitely a lot more bearish indicators than bullish indicators here. Again, only bullish indicators are the cup and handle and possible bull flag, and we have bearish indicators in the double gap up, aftermarket action, and high RSI. And based on the volume here, it does appear like the momentum is cooling off and the squeeze is coming to an end. Maybe coming to an end. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. I think you missed your chance. Missed a lot of upside here. You missed a lot of upside already in the past 2 days. And if you were to go along here at the current price, 763, that would pretty much be FOMO at this point. Not saying it won't keep running to the upside, but there's just way too much downside potential here, way too much downside risk for my liking. So I would hold off on the long side here. You're probably going to get burned. Let's do some math. So once again, there are gaps at, we'll call this 150, 160. Call it 150. Hear a siren outside. I'll just talk over it. Sounds like it's getting closer, though. Ugh. Alright, 1 second, guys. My apologies. Gotta mute here while the siren passes. Alright, my bad, guys. So once again, there are gaps at 480 and 150. Those gaps should fill in the short term. So from the current price of 763 down to 480, that would be about a 40% downside. And from the current price down to the second gap down at the second gap, and from the current price down to the second gap at 150, that would be about an 80% downside. So a huge amount of downside. So I'm not going to speculate on how high this is going to go, on how high this can squeeze. But there is a huge amount of downside risk here. So I would say going long here would be a high risk, high reward play. So I would say going long here would be a very high risk, high reward play. Just not worth it in my opinion. Way too much downside potential here for my liking. So if you want to gamble, go ahead. So going long here would pretty much be a gamble at this point. So if you want to gamble, go ahead. Please do that at your own risk. Personally, I would stay away from this on the long side. I would stay away from this on the long side right now. However, if this does in fact come back down to 150 to fill the gap, which may take a little bit, but eventually I think it will, I think that would be an excellent entry. So I don't like the entry of 763. I would hold off and try to get this back at 150. And that would be an excellent entry. And I think that would be an excellent entry compared to the current entry, which is pretty bad. Now, if you want to go short now, financial advice, honestly, seems like a really good play to me. Again, there may be more upside potential here because it doesn't appear like the squeeze is over just yet, but should be coming to an end here based on the volume. And like I just said, there are gaps at 480 and 150, which come out, which should fill, and that would be a 40 and 80% downside here. So huge downside potential. So as long as you're able to withstand some upside pressure here, you should be able to make some really, really fat tendies here to the downside. So again, not going to speculate on how high this can possibly go, but I personally don't think it's going to go that much higher. And I would say going short here would be a medium risk, very high reward play. Definitely worth a shot, in my opinion. So I can't support going short at the current price, 763 and higher. And I would say anywhere from 480 and lower is a good time to cover. You should be able to make 40% on the downside pretty easily here. Possibly even 80% if you hold long enough and this comes back down to 150. So yeah, it looks like a really good shorting opportunity to me. All right, so pretty straightforward, guys. Pretty new stock, but they got a huge contract earlier this week. Very bullish news. The stock started squeezing because of that. This is day 2 of the squeeze. And yeah, I think it's getting pretty ridiculous at this point. I think if you're currently in the stock, secure the gains. Take your profits. Don't get too greedy. Because this will have to come crashing down, as with every short squeeze. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, I think the current price of 763 is a pretty bad entry. I think if you go long here, there'd be FOMO. So I would caution not to do that. I think if you want to go long, I would try to get this back at 150. I think that would be an excellent entry. That gap should fill. And if you want to go short, I think now is the time. I think now is a really good time to do that. Looks like the squeeze is coming to an end. Momentum cooling off. Really shouldn't be too much more upside potential and a lot of downside potential here. So I do like going short at the current price, and I would cover at anywhere from 480 and lower. And you should be able to make 40 to 80% on the downside here. All right, so pretty straightforward, guys. I already said that. So congratulations to everyone who made money in stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is SIDU Sidus space. All right, so that took a lot longer than I was expecting, but there was a lot of chatting, so, you know, always a pleasure. What up, Beelzebub, and what up, Patrick?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you guys, as always. Mullen ended green. Yeah, I think it did. Well, it definitely did. Let me double check that. Yeah, it actually ended up pretty good in the green. Went to 124. So yeah, congrats to you, dude. Hopefully it keeps running through next week until when the Russell editions are. And yeah, Patrick, I was gonna do red box today, but it did sell off pretty hard here, so we're not gonna talk about it today. But you're still holding strong, right? Diamond hands, not financial advice.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
And by the way, Beelzebub and Patrick, if you guys want to join Discord, link in the description, you know, so we can chat whenever, not just during the live show. But that goes for anyone, you know, anyone who wants to join Discord, anyone in the chat, link in the description. Should have bought Revlon at 104, still holding, buddy. Yep, so still holding strong. It was up a lot more earlier. It was up like 14% and pulled back all day. So yeah, crazy price action. Careful, dude. But yeah, good luck, man. No matter what, you still made some really fat tendies. And yeah, Revlon. So they declared bankruptcy. Yeah, this went down to almost $1. It says 108's the low here, unless it went lower in the pre-market. It didn't quite come down to 104. But it did come down to 108. And yeah, I don't know why this is going up. Market is crazy. We're going bankrupt. Boom. Stock starts going up through the roof. What is going on here? Craziness. Absolute craziness. So, Yeah, that would have been some ballsy play there. High risk, high reward. But yeah, appreciate you guys. So yeah, so that's all the TA for today, guys. Took a lot longer than I expected. But yeah, I didn't have any notes, so my bad. I just kind of winged that. But yeah, let's get onto the Yolos now. Should make a pretty good video though. Made some pretty good points there. Alright, so last order of business. So yeah, we should get finished pretty soon, before 6. So I thought we'd finish 1.5 hours, but we're probably going to go closer to 2 hours today. That's cool, because there's a lot of chatting. But yeah, let me pull up my Yolos here, and we'll finish up the show. Only got 5 of them today, so this should go by pretty fast. And while we pull that up, let me check YouTube real quick. I think most people dipped, because usually they're in the TAs when people dip. And no one was really chatting, so yeah, let me double check. Down to 7 viewers, 12 likes. So still a decent amount of people here. Appreciate everyone who's still here. Appreciate everyone who's lurking and not chatting. I see you guys.
Another one.
Oh. Keep hitting there. You know what? That's appropriate too. Yeah, let me get another like. Another like, guys.
Another one. Another one.
But yeah, I appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Please smash that like button, guys, if you haven't yet. No one chatting because we're paying attention. Yeah, or that. I know you like the TA machete, but generally speaking, you know, people find it boring and they dip then. But you know, all the nerds that love the TA, they do enjoy that part. Yeah, appreciate you for sticking around, machete. All right. And another side note. I just started catching up on the due diligence tab in Discord, because I like read it when it pops up, but I haven't like really sat down and read the whole thread. And you guys are like really smart. I should start participating more in that. I missed a lot of stuff, and I only really read general chat and due diligence sometimes, but you guys put some pretty good resources there and do a lot of good research. So yeah, shout out to the community. Proud of you guys, helping each other out, and yeah, we're growing here, and we got some really smart people, and we got some newbies too, but you guys are willing to help out, and yeah, I really love the community, so shout out to you guys. Got to catch up on the due diligence tab though. All right, guys, so today we have 5 Yolos, I think 3 memes and 2 lost coins. Nothing too serious. This should go by pretty fast. Let's do it. Should be fun. This is by OMG Brain Error Market. So yeah, we got a Bogdanov meme here. Fed yesterday, pump it. Fed today, dump it. Yeah, you guys already know. Well, I should do this one first. He bought, dump it. He sold, pump it. Yep, so Jay Powell says, F your calls. He says, F your puts. Everyone loses. Everyone loses in this market. So, definitely relatable. And RIP to Bogdanov, the Bogdanov twins. They'll forever be legends. Give them the funeral here. RIP to the Bogdanovs. Alright, this next one's by S Trades. I call this the frown and down pattern. So, yeah. Here we got some genius TA. We have the frown pattern developing here, which I guess is like an inverse cup and handle, kind of. I don't know. It looks bullish to me. No, I'm totally kidding. No, I feel it. It doesn't even matter. In this market, it seems like it doesn't even matter what you read on the charts. It's going to end up bad. So, yeah, this is satire, but it's pretty legit, too. The down and frown pattern. Every single day, this is me. Or it has been. So, good stuff. Shout out to you, S Trades. Alright, next one. And here we got a fire truck. Alright, this one is by Zillimpat. We need to see the lost chord. Alright, so here we have a little paragraph, but this was good. My uncle put his entire life savings of 900k in XOXL at an average cost of $60. How boned is he? So I don't know if you're still here, Zach, but I know you're pretty big into XOXL, so I was thinking about you when I saw this. But yeah, he's 70 years old, planning to retire. And he decided to put the money because chips are the future. He's talking about semiconductors, and stonks only go up. If you live long enough to see it, yeah. After seeing the market's performance for the last 2 years. Classic case of strong FOMO. But I'll admit I don't have a lot of experience with triple leverage ETFs. Yeah, so that is a bad retirement plan. I literally read this in the textbook. If a retiree wants to go in 3x or any leverage ETF or any leverage fund, you should insist that they not do that. But in the end, it's their decision. But yeah, very bad retirement planning here. I keep reminding him to avoid looking at his portfolio and never panic sell, and it'll eventually go back up, right? Oh, so he already did it. Now he's not thinking of doing it. He already did it. Okay. Let's check out XOXL. Yeah. Ouch. He put it in at 60? What? Bruh.
Bruh. And it's gone.
So how much money did he... This is why you don't play with your retirement like that. If you're going to do it, put it in SPY. Why did he go triple leverage into one sector? This is extremely bad retirement planning. So, what is that? 13.57. So he's down 77.4%. So yeah, he lost 700k. He's down to 200k. He lost 700k in his retirement. If anything, I don't know why he went triple leverage. You could have just did regular leverage, and it wouldn't have been this bad. Yeah, I don't know what the guy's thinking. 70 years old. That's all your money. You're gonna buy in at the top of the market, and but you didn't diversify. You went triple leverage into one single industry. Yeah, just bad idea all around. So yeah, it says we need to see the lost chord, but the lost chord is 700k. Lost 700k. Lost pretty much his whole life savings. So yeah, what are my thoughts at this point? Well, it's too late. He already did it, and he's down so much money, so all you really can do is wait for it to go back up. But yeah, he's 70 years old, so by the time it goes back to 900k, he already may be deleted. Yeah, he effed up. So tough spot. You don't want to sell low, but this is your retirement you're talking about. He may have to go back to Wendy's. May have to go work at Wendy's or Walmart or something. While you hold and wait for it, and hopefully it comes back up. But yeah, major loss coin here. Hope you guys learned your lesson from this. Don't play with your retirement like this. If you have this much money saved up, you don't even have to invest that. You could just live off that the rest of your life, unless you're trying to save for his family. But yeah, lesson, moral of the story is, don't play with your retirement like this. He could have bought, microchip semiconductor ETF with different companies, not triple leverage. I don't know. This is just all around bad. So yeah, don't buy high, don't sell low. Don't triple leverage your retirement. And just don't be greedy. 900K, he had nothing to worry about his whole life, the rest of his life. Now he has a lot to worry about. So, yep. Terrible stuff, but, yep. Hope this guy learns his lesson. Hope the uncle learned his lesson. Maybe too late, though. And hope you guys learn from this. What up, Ken? What's up, dude? Thanks for being here. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Bought in SIDU 670. Should I hold it? IMPP triple digit. So we just talked about SIDU. Don't know if you're here for that. So my answer would be no. And this is not financial advice. But if I were you, dude, I'd probably hit the sell button. It's probably coming back to 670 tomorrow. So I'd take the profits. I'd hit the sell button. But that's not financial advice. Do whatever you want, dude. But I'd probably sell it here. Can you rewind really quick? Well, I just gave you the summary. You could watch the video later or watch the playback, but that's the summary. I said sell. I said hit the sell button. Because it's probably coming back down to 480 and 150 to fill the gap. So, yeah, take your profits, dude. That's what I would do. Not financial advice. All right, this is by Zaddy Thick. Where's the bottom? I feel sick. Bars. All right, so this is from IBKR. So this guy isn't a total noob. But yeah, he's year to date, he's down 95K. So I guess at the beginning of the year he had over 300K, and now he's down 95K. He still has 210K though, 211K. So still a lot of money. And this is pretty standard. This is worse than average because SPY is down like what? 20-something percent, 20%, 22%. So this guy lost about 30%. So he must have been in more aggressive stuff. But yeah, this is actually not too far off from what everyone's going through. So this is not anything FD, anything degenerate. This is just buy and hold, So, yep. I feel you. Everyone feels sick. Everyone is go right now. But, this guy seems to know what he's doing. IBKR, not FD Yolos. He's just buying and holding. This is responsible investing, honestly. So, nothing you can really do. Maybe sell covered calls. But, yeah. Where's the bottom? Hopefully, it's near. Maybe not, though. And, yeah, I feel you. Everyone feels sick. This is disgusting. Everyone is go right now. But just hang in there. It'll come back. This guy will be fine. You still got a lot of money. And, it'll come back. So at least you didn't YOLO your life savings. At least you're not doing anything too dumb. You'll be right, dude. Just hang in there. Diamond hands. So, thanks for hosting, Zach Daddy. Sorry for your loss. Sucks, but we all feel you, dude. Good luck, man. Not if you have pension coming in monthly and don't have to pay rent or mortgage. That is true. If you have ways to supplement your income when you're retired, then you don't have to worry too much about YOLOing. Then you can take more chances, but there's really no reason to do that unless you want to grow money for your family after you're gone. If you have $1 million in retirement, and you're 70 years old, you don't need to gamble $1 million. You know what I'm saying? The only reason why is to secure a good future for your family. But, you should honestly be more selfish and take care of yourself first before you think about securing a future for your family. All you got to do is not blow the $1 million, and be relatively safe with that. And you can still secure a future for your family while living off your retirement with no worries. So yeah, what that guy did, not a smart thing to do. Absolutely not a smart thing to do. You can't take chances like that when you're that old, and that's all your money. Just my professional opinion, though. At the end of the day, he can do whatever he wants. It's his money. I was up 2K in SIDU and now only 100. Damn, dude. Yeah, it did hit. It did hit like $9 earlier. So yeah, you can't be too greedy. Can't be too greedy. You gotta take your profits. Gotta hit the sell button. So that sucks, dude. But at least you're still up money. So could have been a lot worse. And yeah, not financial advice. I'd probably cash out that 100 because it's probably going in the red tomorrow. Rara Coco tell us to hold SIDU and sell at 300. Did he really? Oh my god. Why is this guy? See, I just can't stand people like that. I can't stand other finance YouTubers that how do people listen to this? How can you feel good about yourself telling just blatant lies like this? This is so. Or maybe he's just he's hitting the sell button while it pumps. No, so yeah, I like the guy Rara Coco. Very charismatic. Seems like a cool dude, but that's not cool. Misleading your audience like that, losing them money. Oh my god. Makes me very, very upset. And what up, Swarls? What's up, dude? Please smash the like button, guys. Mullen heating up. Is it now? I mean, it did do pretty good today. It's at 121. It's pulling back in the aftermarket here. But yeah, looks like funds are, well, can't really say why it's happening, why it went up today, but it does appear like these fund managers are starting to add, in Mullen to their funds before the next week happens, before June 24th. So that's the only reason why I can think of. Rara Coco has amazing fireworks in the background. Does he? Yeah, it's like Robin Hood, right? Makes you feel good. Yay! Buy stock, buy option. Yay! Ribbons, balloons, fireworks. He hasn't talked about BBIG for 3 weeks? Yeah, because it's been going down. Because the hot thing now is Redbox. That's why. He's probably been talking about Redbox and AERC and SIDU. But yeah. This is not financial advice, but you probably not listen to that guy. Good entertainer, terrible financial advice. It's simmering now. Yeah, hopefully it goes for the next week. I sure hope it does. It's been getting wrecked. IMPP pumping over 6%. IMPP. Yeah, it's up 8% today overall, so. Looks like it's coming back. Yeah, I did say buy at 48. So, hopefully that comes back. It's taken quite a hit the last few days, but looks like it's slowly recovering. He said, don't worry, guys, that nuclear MOAS is waiting. Yeah, that's all he says. That's all he has to say. Look at me. Am I upset? No, I'm smiling. Just wait. I'm not worried. You guys shouldn't be worried. Nuclear MOAS. It's going to 3 digits. It's going to 4 digits. Yeah! And then it becomes a cult. And then it's just a whole, circle jerk there. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry, guys. It'll be okay. Let's just hold. IMPP paying dividend. Really? This is new. Where Tide you're gonna get your IMPP dividend before Cryptide. Declares dividend series a preferred shares. So 55-cent dividend on 8.75 Series A cumulative redeemable preferred stock. Yeah, but this isn't the preferred stock, is it? No, it's not. You only get dividend. You only get dividend if you have IMPPP. IMPPP. Yeah, so No one gets dividend. You only get dividend on this IMPPP, which most people don't have. So I guess that's bullish, but no one's actually getting any dividend except insiders, I guess. If I trademark nuclear MOAS, does he have to pay me every time he says it? Not a bad idea. It kind of reminds me of an Idiocracy, when the guy kept saying Carl's Jr. Why do you keep saying Carl's Jr.? Because they got to pay me if you're so smart. Why couldn't you figure that out? Because they got to pay me every time I say it. I don't think you can trademark that, though. That's a pretty broad term, but he honestly should. He says it a lot. Might as well make it his catchphrase. Yes, he will send you 3 digits. Yeah, don't worry, guys. You keep on waiting. You'll be waiting for your whole life. Addict, the adrenaline of stock going up and down, hella fun and exciting. The adrenaline of... Yeah, you like your action, Wilson. But you gotta be smart about it. Smarter gambling. Not degenerate gambling. So make sure you take your profits. Alright, back to this. Last YOLO here. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. By state of idleness, never done a lost corn post. Here's my last year so far. Alright, so not bad. Yeah, he's down 94K for the year. Still has 160K though. So he's down 35%, 37% in the past year. So this is worse than the average portfolio. Average portfolio would go down like probably 22% at this point, but not too far off. Not too far off. I don't think this is kind of similar to the other guy, where I don't think it's FD YOLOs. I think just a bit more aggressive in growth stocks. But this seems to be, responsible investing here. This guy's on Fidelity, which, people who use Fidelity usually aren't super FD apes. Generalizing, though. But yeah, people who use Fidelity, IBKR, Thinkorswim, probably know what they're doing. A lot more than Robinhood apes. So yeah. Pretty bad, but a little worse than standard. And it doesn't appear to be that, that degen. Just got a diamond hands, hold. You make your money back. So, yeah, lost corn, but it's you don't lose money till you sell. So, diamond hands, unrealized gains. It'll come back. Don't worry, dude. Yeah, state of idleness. Thanks for hosting. Big loss, but I feel you, dude. It's been rough for everyone. And diamond hands, hold strong. This will come back. Alright. So I think that's it, guys. And yeah, we got on 2 hours today. So yeah, guys, appreciate everyone. That's the show for today. We didn't have too much to cover. We only had 2 articles. Although Low Roller had a lot of stuff for us. Only 1 TA and YOLOs, not so many YOLOs. So yeah, I didn't think today would be too long of a show, but a lot of people came in chat, especially towards the end here. So appreciate everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed. Anything else? Questions, comments, concerns? Put it in the chat right now. Otherwise, we out of here. A lot of YouTuber is all about self. They want you to watch their channel and get paid by posting this stock to the moon and that stock to the moon. Yeah. That's why a lot of them are frauds. I call them moon boys. Shout out to Joe. He's not here today. But yeah, it's pretty upsetting because I do this every single day. I'm a fiduciary. I tell you guys how to invest responsibly. I'm realistic. And then you got these guys, to the moon, Dogecoin to the moon, Ripple to the moon, AMC, whatever, everything to the moon, BBIG. And people eat this stuff up and they get so big so fast. And then when it goes down, and then Palantir to the moon, Tom Nash is doing that now. And then when it goes down, it's okay, guys, it's okay. Don't worry, it'll go back up. And, I don't even know if they believe themselves. Probably don't. So, yeah, it's upsetting because I don't grow that fast, but you know, I'm gonna have a long, sustainable career. They're gonna have pump and dump careers. So yeah, it's pretty upsetting to me. These moon boys out here, but you know, I'm doing it the right way, the responsible way, and it'll pay off in the end. Short-term gains for them, for the moon boys, but not sustainable at all. They're not gonna be on YouTube for that long. Not gonna be here in another couple of years. It's all Biden's fault. Not all Biden's fault. He definitely should take a lot of blame for this, but yeah. He definitely is getting a lot more hate than he should, though. You know, when things are good, no one cares. When it's bad, it's all Biden's fault. Just point your finger. It's everyone. PayPal, Biden, whatever. So yes, I agree. A lot of it is Biden's fault. Not all, though. I should feel bad for the guy. Gets more hate than he should. Not saying I like him, but you know, I am more conservative, but I don't like him too much. But I think he definitely gets more hate than he deserves. Can we short BBIG? You can. I don't recommend that. I don't think that's a smart thing to do at this point. But if you want to, go ahead. But yeah, I don't think that's so smart. Triple MOAS, quadruple MOAS, dude. Nuclear MOAS. Show over? Yeah, show over. Well, we're just chilling. But yeah, that's all I got for today. I hate him. He's a scam. Where's my...
Hey, you gonna lose all your money? That's a scam!
Yeah, not my favorite guy either. I don't think he's, like, that terrible, though. But yeah, not the greatest president. And, yeah, he's probably not going to be here in 2024. This is what happened. In November, Republicans are going to regain the House, probably. It's going to be gridlock for the next 2 years, and then Republicans are probably going to win in 2024. I missed the show. Yeah, you came in towards the end, Ken. But appreciate you for stopping by. If you want, dude, you can watch the playback. But we really didn't even talk about too much today. We just went through some articles and did SIDU. Trump 2024, crying face. You know, Trump not my favorite guy either, but I like the Trump market. Trump market 2024. Trump market 2022. How about that? I could use the Trump market again. I would have Trump over Biden, though, for sure. What's that, low roller? Facebook photo? I don't know if I can get into that. I don't have Facebook anymore. Or do I? Or it's deactivated. Hold on here. Trump will print unlimited money again. I don't know about that. That's up to Jay Powell. Actually, Trump he got lucky because if he was president again, he'd be getting all this hate. All this inflation stuff. What is this? Astro portals? What is this? He bet $2 and he won 160. Kind of game is that? Astro portal? Yeah, no idea. But kind of sounds like a parlay. $2 to win 160. Interesting. Okay. Ken says he loves Trump. Yeah, I know you do, dude. Yeah, I'm pretty indifferent about Trump. I don't like Biden. Trump is... I think professionally, he's probably not the greatest look for America, but I can get behind the policies. But yeah, this is not a political show. So... yeah, not the biggest fan of Biden. But he's definitely getting a lot more hate than he should. Whoa, I was gonna sneeze there. And yeah, I could use the Trump market again. That'd be nice. But hey, he might run again in 2024. We'll see. All right, guys. That's all I got for today. Anything else? Questions, comments, concerns, put it in the chat right now. Otherwise, we out of here. But the government took all his money. He had to pay child support. He took online gambling. He won lottery. Yep. Well, it's in the fine print. He should have known he had to pay taxes on that. So pretty unfortunate. Yeah. Child support is a B. For sure. Never catch me paying child support. Yeah, alimony, child support. Financial advice, guys. Try not to pay alimony and child support. That'll wreck you. He was pissed that he didn't win any money since the government took all his money. How much did they take? Maybe he shouldn't play anymore then. It's not even worth it. Alright, so we're just chilling now. 5 viewers, 14 likes. So yeah, I think we're out of here, guys. Anything else? So appreciate everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. I enjoyed. And yeah, pretty chill today. Pretty chill. A lot of chatting. The guy should play VA skill game. Do you get taxed on that? That's what they're fighting for right now. Alright, guys, going once. Going twice. Alright, I think that's it. Let's get out of here. VA skill game, tax-free, and you pay cash. So maybe he should play that instead. I don't know what he was playing. But yeah. Probably not going to play anymore. Alright, let's get out of here, guys. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after the market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.